So what does it take to create a marketing plan and marketing strategy? So I'm going to take you behind the scenes with one of my clients. I'm going to give you a quick peek at what I'm working on with one of my clients and my process. And if you don't know me, if you're new, my name's Amy. I'm 50 years old, and my previous life I was a chief marketing officer and also 7 years working for Deloitte in strategic relationship management. And what that meant, sales and marketing basically. And I served like Fortune 50. You know, some of you seen my video on how I used to solve Jeff Bezos problems for a living. So I did a lot of business development, not just marketing and sales. It's a very, very different environment. So the first process I bring people through is building out their sales funnel. And that doesn't necessarily mean an internet sales funnel. It means how you turn people into customers from a psychological point of view. So this is a customer journey, and you can see these boxes looks like a game. This is the psychology of relationship building in digital marketing. So you've got to have things in the right place to turn people into customers. What a lot of people do is they don't know about this and they just go after all the tools and tactics, and they're like, why aren't I getting customers? It's because one of these boxes is off. One of them is not working. They don't have the right things in place. And there's strategy in each one of these. And so I built, those are kind of the funnel things. So we've got the content that we're building out for this, my client's business. And then also, these are then all the emails that they've got to put in their CRM in order to nurture these people. And then I create another one for ads, so they know what ads and what custom audiences to create for their business. So that's the first part of it. And then I also went through and created an avatar, but I don't focus on things like, you know, their age and where they hang out, all that kind of stuff. What I focus on when I build an avatar is the emotions that people are experiencing before and after they come in contact with your product or service. And I find it's very, very easy then to narrow things down to find out the results you're producing for people. And then from there, back up into, okay, then who is this individual? How can we narrow that down? So that's part of the beginning of it. And then we go into tools and tactics. And the thing is that most people go out and buy one tool or tactic, one way to get clients online, one way to build out their business. I give my clients absolutely everything they could possibly ever want in digital marketing, and together we create a plan that's going to work for them. So that's what I'm working on today. So thought I'd just give you a little sneak peek.